Okay guys, I have here the compact bed. Okay, it's like this, the product, and I think it's perfect like for a small or medium dog. Okay, maybe for a big dog it will be a little bit smaller, but I think it also functions very well. And well, I asked for this house because my pet lives outside, so and also what I like is that it came here with a heating pad, that it's this one. Okay, so I think it's perfect for my dog that it lives outside, and well, for maybe winter it will be perfect. So this heating pad, I think you can use it two ways. The first one, I think that it's like this, like it says here in the images. It came here in the care and instructions. Okay, so maybe like put your dog or your pet in the pad and just turn it on with this little product. Or the other one, that it is that this pad, it goes down the bed. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you need to put it. And okay, the house, it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to be turning it to this way, and here in the back part it came like a little bag where it goes the product. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it there. Okay, I have here the pad, and I'm going to be putting it like this. Okay, so okay, it goes here in this part of the back. Okay, that's it. And this, I'm going to connect it to the light. Okay, now we have this product that it says off, low, and high. So I think I'm going to put it in the high mood. Okay, and I'm going to wait maybe 1 minute so that the product it do the function that it's high. Okay, so and then I'm going to put my dog here inside. Okay, now here it's my dog, and I think she likes it a lot because, like you can see, it's getting sleep. Gorda. And I think it's very hot. This, well, it's not too hot, but I think it functions a lot. Maybe if you have like your dog outside of your house and in winter, it will be perfect, this product. Okay, so, and I also think that this part of the house, it protects a lot from maybe winter, or if it's snowing in the part where you live. Or I also think it will function a lot maybe if it's going to rain, so that your pet will be protected. And I think the product, it hits very well. And I also think that Gorda, that it's my dog, it's very exciting for having this new house. Okay, look, like you can see, I think that it's like in that place because it's really, really, really cool, the temperature it has. So I think she likes it a lot. If you think that the temperature of the heating pad, it's very high, you can fix it here. Like you can see, I have it in high, so maybe put it in low. Or if you think that it's already like, or for example, if you had it in summer, I think you can put it also in off, or maybe taking the pad off of this part and just leaving the house. So I think it functions for the two seasons. Okay, like summer and winter. And I hope you like it.